In this video, I'll show you how to fix Photoshop if it keeps crashing, freezing, or suddenly stops working. These methods work with the latest 2026 version of Photoshop, as well as previous versions. First, open Photoshop and click on Edit in the top menu. Next, scroll down and select Preferences, then click General. In the menu on the left, select Performance. If Use Graphics Processor is enabled, try turning it off and then check if Photoshop is working properly. If the problem continues, turn it back on and click Advanced Settings. Make sure the available options are enabled, then click OK to save the changes. Next, let's adjust Photoshop's memory usage. On the left side, you'll see the memory usage section. Try increasing the slider to the maximum available amount, so Photoshop can use up to 100% of the available memory. Once that's done, click on Scratch Disks on the left. Here, make sure Photoshop is using the drive with the most available storage space. You can check the free space column to see how much storage is available. For the best experience, make sure you have at least 50 gigabytes of free space available on the selected drive. After selecting the correct drive, click OK to save your changes. If Photoshop is still crashing, go back to the Edit menu at the top. Scroll down to Purge, then select All. This will clear Photoshop's cache and temporary data. Once the process is complete, close Photoshop and restart it. After restarting Photoshop, check if the crashing or freezing problem has been resolved.